Hi, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I'm just going to make some simple peach puffs. What you need is a can of peaches, some flaky biscuits, a little bit of cinnamon, and of course your handy dandy pan, and a muffin pan. So to get started, all we need to do is spray the muffin pan a little bit. We'll open our can of biscuits. And you take your biscuits and you separate them, which this one doesn't seem to want to separate, but there we go. And all you have to do is like sort of stretch it out just a little bit. Put it down in your muffin pan. Now I'm just pulling these apart one time. You could pull them apart more if you wanted them a little bit thinner. And they're not hard at all to get in your muffin pan. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe to my channel. I enjoy doing this. Since I have retired, I just really enjoyed it. And I know when Tom was around, he was always trying to get me to learn how to do his way. And at that time I was working, and I says, "Babe, that's the last thing I want to do when I come home from work is cook. So let's just you do the cooking, and I'm fine with you doing the cooking, and I'll just keep working for just a little bit longer." You know, you could get a rolling pin out and get some flour out and dust them a little bit with flour and roll it out thinner. But okay, I've got my pan filled up. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my peaches, put in a bowl, and you don't really need the juice. I probably should have used a slotty spoon, but I didn't. And we're just going to take the peaches and cut them up. And today I'm going to use my Ninja oven I have sitting on my counter. I'm preheating it to 375. All you do is you take some of your peaches, put them in your little muffin things. If you probably heard that beep. That's just telling me that it's already reached the temperature, but oops. Uh-oh, I missed one. So what I'll do is I'll go back and take just one out of these and put there. Now I've got something in every one of them. A little piece in half and put on top of them. And sort of, if you can, mash it a little bit together. Just remember, they don't have to look the best or be the prettiest or anything like that. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Do you know what? I have to take these off. I forgot to put my little dash of cinnamon on here. And you can't have peaches without just a dash of cinnamon. So we're just going to put just a dash of cinnamon on top of your peaches. And like I say, I forgot to do that. It would still be good, but I just like cinnamon. And I can assure you, anything you make like this, they won't be all uniform, they all won't be perfect, but they sure are good. Okay, I've got them all fixed. This is the Ninja cooker that I've got on my counter. I've got it set for 13 minutes at 350. I've already preheated. I just want you to know that they are rising. And okay, it's showing that they've got 2 minutes and 56 seconds, counting down. and they are really browning real good. I hope you can see this. And we'll have them done in just a few minutes around the house with Kay and Tom. Okay, I cooked them for 13 minutes and they actually look like they could be just a little bit browner. So I'm going to put them back in there for just, let's just say 3 or 4 more minutes and just stand here and watch them, and then I'll let you see what they look like. Now I reset it and I set it for 4 minutes. And so just as soon as they get done, we will check them out again. Yes, they're really browning up real pretty now. Like I say, I'm just standing here watching them because I don't want them to get too done, but they sure are looking good now. Okay, it's countdown time, 29, 28 seconds, and then we're going to take them out and see what we have got. They smell good, and again, around the house with Kay and Tom. I hope you enjoy this little video, and there it went. So let's see what we've got. Well, they definitely look good. So I'm going to take them and set them over here on the counter and put them on a plate. They are so hot, maybe I had better let them cool off a little bit. They are no problem to get out whatsoever. They didn't stick, any of them didn't stick. Even down to the ones that the peach ran out all on them. Maybe a fork is better to pick them up with. If they were cool just a little bit, I think you could almost pick them out with your hands. This is the way they look. Now, I do have a knife here. I'm going to cut into one of them just so we can see. And this is the way they look on the inside. It's just a little puff pastry. Very, very good. And when it cools off just a little bit, I shall eat probably more than one. But again, around the house with Kay and Tom, this is just some peach puffs, and on the bottom, the back side of them really look good. And again, join my channel, come back to see me, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.